This is blocks explained inside of the Shopify theme customizer. In a previous video, I explained that sections are the containers for blocks. Well, what is a block? A block can be text, an image, a heading, or it's some sort of aspect of the store that will go inside these containers. So as we see here, we can, inside the image with text container, we can add all different types of blocks. This also translates throughout the rest of your site. So if we go over to the product page, and let's go with this product template here, we can add blocks to the product information area. So we can add, for example, quantity selectors and inventory and a share block and custom liquid. So long story short, a block is just almost like a thing that goes inside of the section that contains any functionality or aspect of your site. So tangibly, that's headings and subheadings and descriptions and so on. Hopefully this clarifies what blocks are. Now you may also be wondering what app blocks are. Well, app blocks are also technically blocks, but they come exclusively from apps. So if you get an app in the App Store, you can add an app block to sections where it could be reviews or a carousel, or in this case here, there's custom dividers and headings and icons and so on. Hopefully this clarifies what blocks are inside of Shopify.